The purpose of this simulation is the understanding of the fundamental law of rotational motion. The system of the simulation consists of two pulleys with a common axis. Two masses are hanging from the rope. In the help section, detailed theory of the simulation is referenced. The parameter m1 indicates the mass of the large pulley. The parameter r1 indicates the radius of the large pulley. The parameter m2 indicates the mass of the small pulley. The parameter r2 denotes the radius of the small pulley. The parameter m1 indicates the mass of the blue object. The parameter m2 indicates the mass of the green object. The parameter SR, simulation rate, denotes the rate of the motion simulation. In the results table, equations 1 to 5 describe the rotation of the pulleys and the linear motion of the bodies. The values calculated include the angular accelerations of the pulleys, the accelerations of the hanging bodies, the tensions in the strings. Additionally, the equations and values of the velocity and displacement of each hanging body are shown, as well as the angular velocity of the pulley as a function of time. We can interrupt the motion. We can hide the results table. We can reset the simulation to its initial environment. And we can also hide the vector quantities of the phenomenon. We can choose various combinations of parameters and study the simulation. Finally, in the problems section, problems corresponding to the simulation are proposed. You can solve these problems and verify the correctness of the results using the simulation.